I'm going to be making a trinket tray today using some EcoPore. Well, actually, when I say I'm going to, I'm not going to. I've got one of my lovely subscribers here with me today.
Hello.
There's 2 pairs of hands today. Ooh, look at that. So Becca's here with me today from Sloth Mama 73. She's come to join me. So we're going to do a tray today. What colours are you choosing today?
I've chose cinnamon and ruby.
Cinnamon and ruby.
Yep.
Sounds perfect. Right, so to start with, we're going to need to measure out the EcoPore. So EcoPore is measured 30 grams water, 100 grams powder.
Okay.
So you need to first of all measure out, let's think, we need probably, let's do 300 of that. So we need 90 grams of water.
Okay.
So pop that in there. Lovely stuff.
Oh,
that's okay. EcoPore is very forgiving. You can go either side if you do want it a bit thicker or a bit thinner, and you can always just add a little bit more powder to it anyway.
okay.
So now we need to tear the scales. That's it. And then if you'd like to add 300 grams of the EcoPore. Becca's never used EcoPore before, have you?
No.
You've done a few resin projects before, haven't you?
We don't talk about that.
But no, we don't talk about that apparently. No.
Resin's not my friend.
No. I just don't think the resin fairies were on your side that day, maybe.
No. But hopefully the EcoPore ones are.
Yes. So how are we doing there? What have we got in there so far?
88.
88, 288, 302. And you can just put a slightly bit more in, because we went a bit over with the water. And we're going to do a bit of marbling today, so it does help if it's a slightly thicker mixture. Right, so young lady,
Oh, young lady.
let's get, young lady, get that mixed in.
God, it's so easy.
How are you finding it to mix in first time?
It's like done.
Yeah,
That's very strange.
mixes in really well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
And I do find that if you, and this is probably just a personal thing, but I find eco powders mix in better when you're mixing the powder into the water.
Yeah.
Oh, Mishka's come to say hello to see what you're doing.
Hello, Mishka. Oh, my doing.
So, how's that feeling? Have you
Good.
scraped all around the bottom, all
Yeah.
around the sides?
Yep.
Perfect. Right, so your 2 little bottles there, they're going to need a little shaky.
Uh-huh.
So give them a little shake. Nice. Liking the action there. Very good.
I'm very good at shaking.
Double shaking.
Right, how many drops?
So if you put, say, 2 drops of that in, just put 1 that side. That's it. And then same with your other colour.
Okie dokie.
Is it coming out?
Yeah, just there.
There we go. And then if you use a little stirry stick and then just gently give it like a little wiggle around. Lovely. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's like you've done it before.
No, I promise I haven't.
No, I know you haven't.
Right,
Right,
so-
that's it. Go on then.
Mishka.
Pour it in, just pour it up and down. Just let it find its own little way in there. Oh, look at those colours. That looks lush. Just keep going until it's filled up. Keep going, keep going. Is that all of it? Scrape out any bits.
Scrapey, scrapey.
Scrapey,
Little
scrapey.
containy.
Perfect. Isn't she doing well?
Thank you.
Didn't she do well?
Oh, look at those colours.
They're beautiful. Right, so just a tiny little tap around the outsides.
I'm sorry, but Mishka wants my attention.
Oh, Mishka's having cuddles. So we're just going to give it a little tiny tap Just round the outside, doesn't need a lot.
Attack!
Oh, Michigan's got a new friend, bless her. Right, so we're going to leave this to cure now.
Yep.
This will take about 40 minutes
Okay.
and then we can demold.
Coffee time.
Coffee time, yep. We'll see you after we've had a cuppa.
Bye.
Right, this is all cured up now. So you ready to get this out?
Oh, definitely, yes.
Go on then, I'll give you the honours.
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look how your first ever eco pores turned out.
First one.
First one. So,
Put your mould in the right way.
yes. Oh, you've watched a few videos.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh,
Oh my
goodness. Lovely.
Look at that.
That's gorgeous. Like
Isn't
that.
that pretty?
Do you want to tart it up a little bit with some gold
Yeah.
pen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got two different pens. We've got a thick nib and a thin nib. So you can go do it wherever you want, but what I would say is follow the natural lines of what's already there.
So, this
So
pink.
say from that,
Yeah.
and you can go, you don't have to do it right on it. You can go, you know, it doesn't have to be straight. It can be wiggly, but sort of follow that line round there. You can follow that line round there.
Okay.
Do that one round there. Is that coming out or does that need
I don't know what you think.
priming? Oh, very nice.
That looks so good.
And then there's a thicker gold pen as well.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, no, that's lovely. Yeah, you don't want it to be like straight. You want it to be nice and wiggly and perfect. Look at that.
Let's try the thicker one.
And then you could do some thicker lines in places. Lovely. Look at you go.
Ah.
That's looking good. Loving that.
Isn't that pretty?
That's excellent. Very nice.
What do you think?
Let's just show them how that's looking. Didn't she do good?
That is so pretty.
That's stunning. I love the colours that you chose as well.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Right, so what we do is we'll leave this for half an hour.
Yeah.
And then we'll give it a seal with some wax.
Okay.
And
Perfect.
because like we're doing this for you to take away with you when you go home today, normally we would let this air dry overnight and then seal it.
Yeah.
But for the sake of today, what we'll do is we'll seal it, but we
Yeah.
won't seal the bottom.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
then any moisture can still escape out the bottom.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yeah.
So we'll just let that pen dry and then
Yeah.
we'll come back and give it a seal.
Nice.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Right, so before we seal this, I think we need to give this edge a little bit of a file. So if you use the file, just keep it at an angle like that and just go round the edges.
Okay.
That would tidy those up. Perfect.
I love these colours.
Gorgeous, isn't it? You did a fantastic job on that.
Thank you.
I'm impressed. First
My
time.
first time, yeah.
This is Becca's first time, guys. This just shows you how easy eco-pour is for beginners. So if you want to
If
give
I
it
can
a
do
try,
it, anyone can do it.
yeah, totally. Good to do with kids as well. Is that all the way around?
I think so.
Give it a little dusting off with a soft brush. Get any bits off of there.
Okay.
Perfect. So now we'll give it a wax. Let's just get that off of there. So we're going to use the Clark Stone and Concrete wax. This smells lush.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it smells like oranges.
Lovely. So just put some on your cloth. Just give it a swoosh around in the pot. And then just wipe it all over, everywhere apart from the bottom.
Bottom. Right. Wax on.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax off.
Wax on, wax off. Lovely.
Oh, it smells so good.
And then that will seal in the pen as well.
Nice.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then you can just give it a little buff with a
Wax off.
clean one. Perfect. Lovely stuff.
There.
Right, and to finish it off, let me see if I've got any. Have I got enough here? Oh, I have. Look, we've got some little rubber feet. So we'll be all posh, so we and give it some.
Give it some feet.
Give it some feet. So I would say one there, one there, one there, and one there.
Okay.
Pop those little fellas on.
In there.
One there.
One over by here.
Yeah, by there. Over by there.
And one over by here.
One down there.
And one right there.
Perfect. So then whatever you sit it on, because you'll be taking this home with you, it's not going to squash any surface.
That's cool.
So, thank you ever so much to come and see me, Becca.
Thank you for having me. It's been brilliant.
It's been absolutely lovely.
Yeah, it has.
So, thank
Thank you so much for this as well.
Oh, you're welcome anytime.
Yeah.
So, thank you ever so much for watching our video today, and stay tuned for the pictures at the end. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.